What is this plant? Oh, you're looking at the labels. I wanted you to look at the needles.
Oh, they're twisted.
They're twisted. There you go. It is a... See, you're never going to learn that now. It's gone. Pinus sylvestris. Yeah. And Pinus sylvestris, the Scotch pine. And this is Fastigiata, variety Fastigiata cultivar. Fastigiata. Variety Fastigiata. So this is a more fastigiate form than the fastigiate variety. Have you got that?
Yeah.
See how that works? Their plant names can be really quite confusing. What else can I say about this? This is more the true color of Pinus sylvestris, although the blue is maybe a little more intense. I hate to tell you this, but we're going to go for a hike at the very back at the college.
Oh my god.
Because there are a couple of plants we need to see back there, and one is the species of this, right? The parent of these two.
That is like super fastigious.
Yeah, and there's three of them here. There's one over there, one over there. This is a relatively quick-growing dwarf conifer. You can see this past year, between finger and finger, you know, that's 25 centimeters. Right? You'll also see the cones on it, and the cones on Scotch pine. Now you won't be able to tell the difference between the cultivar and the species, but the cone is very, very short, squat.
It seems so much different.
Right? Kind of
It's not open.
almost a rounded cone. Who's collecting samples here? Who's our sample collector? Who? Eric? Eric? Okay. So the cones are typical of Scotch pine cones. Now, very narrow, a bit ragged, and doesn't fill out, you know, when you compare this to Arnold's Sentinel there. Now, keep in mind Arnold's Sentinel is roped in a bit for the winter. And you can see why we didn't have to do it with this one, because there's not a lot here for the snow to collect on. But still a nice accent plant, especially if you get a nice full one. These were actually rejects from the nursery, that's why we got them. We got a whole bunch given to us. And we planted 3 of them here. Okay.